What's going on, everybody? This is Billy Digital. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can make money by testing mobile apps. That's right, you can now play video games and get paid. All you have to do is click the link below in the description. It'll take you directly to how to get started. So, let's get started. You come here to App Corner, appcorner.com, Corner. Get paid to test apps. Okay, so you're gonna have to put in the email, put in your first name, you get started. You got a little video explaining how you can get paid. You choose an app, you write a review, you get paid. Very simple, easy money to make. Um, what's gonna happen is, right, you sign up. This is the next page. It just gives you a little more information about how app developers need your help to get their apps found, so they're willing to pay for reviews. It's pretty much like, think about it. If you create an app, how do you get your app seen on the App Store? How do you get more traffic to your app? You need reviews. Same thing if you're putting a product on Amazon, if you're selling something, you need people's reviews. So people are willing to pay you for those reviews. So all you have to do is choose an app, write a review, you get paid, right? After you tested the app on your smartphone or tablet, you then log into your App Corner members account, write your honest review of the app on your app review website. The App Corner program monetizes all your app reviews for you automatically. All you have to do is keep testing more new apps and writing your reviews. The more reviews you write, the more money you'll make. You choose to be paid via check, direct deposit, or Payoneer. It's completely up to you. So, real easy. They got different apps you can test out. It's open to all members of the US. So let's say we want to review 4 apps a day, and each we want to get paid 25. How many days a week will you test? Let's say we're doing 5 days, Monday through Friday. Well, you can make up to $500 weekly. That's $21.66 monthly. That's extra $26,000 yearly. Let's say you're just gonna do 2, right? And let's say you only get paid $5 and you're doing 7 days a week. $70 a week, $300 a month. That's still $3,600 a year straight from your phone, not having to do anything. Don't need to be a professional writer, and you can earn real cash. You get your own website as well, so you can do as you please with that. And for using my link right in the description, you're gonna get a $20 discount, right? Very simple. So you only be paying $27. They're gonna have some accelerated programs in there for you where they can actually write 50 reviews for you for an extra fee. I went ahead and did that. Very simple, right? No limits on the apps. You can write weekly payouts. You get one-on-one support from your support team, instant access to the membership site, and you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. You can't beat that, guys. Very easy. So if you want to check it out, just click the link in the description, and I'll give you all the steps to get started, right? Don't forget, use my link. You're going to get $20 off today only.